If Telegram isn't sending your login verification code, the first thing to understand is that this is a very common problem, and it doesn't always mean something is wrong with your account. In this video, I am going to show you 8 methods to fix that simple issue. Start by checking the email address you linked to Telegram. In newer flows, Telegram can send a login link or code to that mailbox instead of using SMS, and some clients rely on non-SMS code types that the official stack handles natively. Open the mailbox tied to your account and check spam or promotions as well. If a Telegram login message is there, follow the link to complete sign-in. Note that Telegram is moving away from plain SMS in some cases. If nothing is in your email, check every device that may still be signed in. Telegram is designed to deliver the login code inside an existing trusted session on desktop, web, tablets, or an older phone before falling back to SMS. That is the most common reason people believe SMS failed when the code was actually posted to a different device. After you have looked there and still failed to fix. Let's move to another method. Make sure you are using the official Telegram app if you expect a text message or want to request a voice call. Since February 2023, Telegram changed the rules for apps built on the Telegram API. Third-party clients can no longer request SMS login codes and must rely on in-Telegram messages, QR, or other sanctioned flows, and brand new accounts must be created with an official mobile app first. The maintainers of Telethon and Pyrogram and TDlib contributors documented this policy. Another method. Re-enter the phone number carefully with the correct country code and without leading zeros, spaces, or punctuation. Formatting mistakes are a top cause of failed verification, and correcting a single digit often fixes the issue immediately. As a quick test, send yourself a normal text from another device. If standard messages arrive but the one-time code does not, continue with the next steps. Use Telegram's built-in retry logic rather than rapid resends. Let the timer expire and then resend once, or select the call option to hear the code by phone. The call route often succeeds immediately on networks where shortcodes are filtered or congested, and brief cooldowns of 5 to 30 minutes resolve many temporary OTP bottlenecks on carrier or service routes. Also be warned that spamming resends can trigger stricter throttles, so paste attempts are more reliable. Refresh the device and the app to clear local glitches. A full phone restart resets the radio stack and OS services that can silently block inbound texts. Updating Telegram ensures you have the latest login flow fixes, and if anomalies persist, reinstalling the app refreshes permissions and components end-to-end. On Android, reset Telegram's local state when the login screen appears stuck or does not surface SMS or call fallbacks. Long press the Telegram icon, open App Info, then Storage, and clear cache. If that is not enough, clear data or clear storage and sign in again. On iOS, deleting and reinstalling achieves the same effect. Android focus guides highlight cache and data resets as effective when multiple accounts or older installs leave stale files that interfere with verification. Inspect places where messages are filtered or blocked before they reach you. Open the spam or blocked folder in your SNS app and restore any filtered OTPs. If bank alerts or other one-time texts also fail, call your carrier and ask them to refresh the SMSC settings and confirm that verification shortcodes from international gateways are allowed on your line. Device-level filtering and carrier-level shortcode blocks are common, quickly fixable reasons for missing Telegram codes. Build a prevention routine once you are back in. Keep one primary device signed in so you can catch device-first codes instantly. Ensure your number is stored in strict international format in your contact or password manager so you do not reintroduce formatting mistakes. Avoid using third-party clients for first sign-in or when you are expecting SMS, and prefer official clients for resends or call requests. When you travel into regions with intermittent restrictions, expect delays on shortcodes and lean on device-first delivery or voice calls where available.